biscuit at 100 per minute. A machine checks the weight of 10% of the biscuits. The biscuit pass through the machine one at a time. You choosing in like this, we choose the samplings. That means systematic sampling. So the next one is stratified sampling. So here stratified means some groups. So involve the method where large populations can be divided into smaller groups that usually don't overlap but represent the entire population together. While sampling, these groups can be organized and then draw a sample from each group separately. So a common method is to arrange or classify by sex, age, ethnically, and similar ways. So, for example, there are 500 students are there in a college. So, you have make a 500 students in different groups, and you need only 100 students among them. So, you need only 100 samples. So, you divided the subgroups according to the age up to 20. You will make in one group. Then, according to the religion, you will make in one group, and also the social economic status, you will make an another group. So we have made in so many subgroups. From these subgroups, we are selecting the students according to the requirement. So from the age up to 20, you can select some students from the different religion. You can select the students as your wish according to your need. So dividing into the subgroups and selecting from that subgroups are called stratified random samplings. Okay. This is an example. It is taken a stratified sample of people who were at her company based on gender. There are 500 people at her company. The table below gives some information about sizes of the groups. So the values of a, first we select the calculate the scale factor. Then the next step is calculate using the scale factor. So the values in the sample must all be scaled down by the same scale factor from the original values. So given that there are 255 females in the company and 51 in the sample. So we get the scale factor is 255 divided by 51. So that is also equal to 5. Then calculate using the scale factor. We multiply the scale factor by the number of males in the sample. So the number of company, the male category is, so the total number of sample is 47. So 47 into the scale factor 5, that is also equal to 235 people. So the males only give the sample data. Okay, so 47 into 5, so 235 people. So the total company has 255 in female and 235 in male faculty. So we select the samples in 51 in female and 47 in male. Then cluster sampling. So it is a way to randomly select participants when they are geographical spread out. The cluster sampling usually analyze a particular population in which the sample consists of more than a few elements. For example, city, family, university, etc. So the clusters are then selected by dividing the greater populations into the various smaller sections. So cluster means you are divided the area. So suppose you are study the quality of education among the school students of India. So India is the large, it's a very big area. So it is very difficult to the researcher to cover entire the school. So you will divide the areas. For example, cities of India, villages of India, states of India, some streets of India. So you divide or cluster the area. From that area, you are selecting some schools. So from that schools, you are selecting a sample and conduct a research. So this method is used when there is a geographical area is very large. So for example, so this is a simple example. A bakery owner is planning to expand her business. Before that, she wants to know how many people from the neighborhood buy her bakery products. She splits the neighborhood into several areas and randomly select customers to form cluster samples. Then she surveys every member chosen from neighborhood for her research. Okay. So the next one is the method of non-probability sampling. So there are the four types of non-probability sampling. So the one is the convenience sampling, and next one is the quota sampling, and judgmental or purposive sampling, and snow